Hi,
Hello.
I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lily.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I moved last week.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Wow, Chicago is a big city.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. People are friendly.
That's good to hear.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just around the corner.
That's cool.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. I go to Green Hill School.
Me too.
Really? What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5. You?
Same.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like English class.
Me too. I like reading.
What do you do after school?
I play games. Sometimes I draw.
Cool, I play soccer.
Soccer is fun.
Yes, we can play together one day.
I'd love that.
That would be nice.
I have a book about a magic cat.
Sounds fun.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a white cat. Her name is Bella.
Oh, cute. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Is he big?
No, he's small and very fluffy.
I love fluffy dogs.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to songs every day.
Me too. I like to sing.
Can you play any instruments?
A little piano.
Wow, I play the guitar.